Hello everyone and hello Dr. Joanna. We are from Group 11 consisting of members me, myself, Om Jivan and Brendan Dillon. And today we are going to be presenting on our assignment 2, which is linguist, and our project is on hostel management system. So, introduction. We are assigned to design a project of hostel management system. The aim of this project is to give student and staff a view of the hostel. This system is made in such a way that a minimal educated and simple computer knowledge so that any user can understand it. There's basically two types of users who can use the system, who are students and staff. Students can book hostel rooms, whereas staff can view overall booking details of all students as well as conduct sorting. Both can conduct search using linguists. In the conduct sorting, this video has been shown in assignment 1, whereas in assignment 2, we are more focused on the linguist method. So, for our goals of our system is to provide a centralized hostel management system, to provide staff an easier view of booking details done by students, and prevent data loss by storing the students' booking details in the system. Finally, allow an efficient engagement from the students to navigate through the system while input necessary data for the hostel booking. So, in our assignment 1, the design of our system was pretty much explained. We had student registration, college and room registration, check-in and check-out, payment and receipt, staff section, where you can view students' details and sort matrix number. Well, this was all done in assignment 1, whereas in assignment 2, we replaced the sorting of matrix number with staff searching through students' matrix number. We added a searching linked list concept to the system to get the students' detail by searching through the students' matrix number. Okay, so now the time we have been waiting for, the demo of the program.
Hello, my name is Brendan Dillon. So we are moving on to the demonstration of our current system. So as you can see before, in function option choose, we have only 3 options before, which is the student registration, college room status, and also the view students book room. But now for this current system, we have a new option, which is you can search the student's detail by only key in the metric number. Okay, so this new option will be implementing the linked list system, which will implement insertion and searching nodes. Alright, so for the linked list concept, we have implemented insertion and searching nodes for our linked list. So I'm going to explain the classes and attributes that is involved for our system. Okay, the first of all, we can see the class node here. So the class node functions to store the data and also the pointer next, which is going to point to the next memory address of the next nodes. And this is the class list. So I'm going to explain first at the node array to list. So the node array to list functions to have the parameter of the metric array and also the size array. So this is where the node array to list is converted into the nodes, which means that it will going to send each element that is available in the metric array into the nodes, into the insert node. Here, the function for insert node. Okay, and for this is the function bold is empty, which determines if the head is empty. So as you can see, if this root next is equals to head and the root which is points to the data that is currently empty, 0, then it will return true, or else it will return false. Okay, and after we do the insertion, we are going to do the finding node, which we are going to use the data type bool, and it's going to return if the metric number desired is found, then we're going to return true, or else it's gonna return false. Here you can see we have put the comments which indicates if the metric number is available or not available. So this is the new function that we have implemented for our system, which is the class staff search. So the class staff search helps in to search the student details. This class doesn't have any attributes. It only has a class functions. So this function named as search student, it contains the parameter of the full name array, metric array, course array, college array, until the size array, just as in staff view. Okay, so here we have declared the pointer objects for the class, as I mentioned before, which is the class list and the class node. So we dynamically allocated the new memory of the list pointer temp, and for the node root, we are going to send the temp pointer, which is going to point to the array to list of metric size array, which is going to send the element array, an array of metric consists of metric number with the size array. Okay, so we are going to prompt the user to enter the student metric number, and you're going to user have to key in the code. So if the temp find node code is true, which is equals to 1, it's going to display the details of the students. So this is the for loop. Is going to search if the following metric code is available, and if the metric code found is available on the key on the certain array position of array, it's going to display its detail, or else there's no data of the following student details in the system. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the outputs here. So as you can see, I still use the same input and outputs that we've used, as you can see in student register output file also. Okay, so for example, so let me first log in. Which user? So which user, we can use any user type to access this new option. So for example, I use as admin, and I just log in as admin. Right, so now I'm going to go to choice 4. Okay, the list is not empty, which means that we know that the metric element array has been transferred into the nodes. Okay, so we're going to please enter the student metric number. For example, I want to enter the metric number of 7654. It's supposed to be owned by Rachel Christine. Okay, so we can see here the metric number search is available, and the following student metric number is also available. It's going to display the data of the student's metric number, including the other details. So I think that's all for our new concepts that we have implemented, which is the linked list concept into our system. Thank you for watching.
Alright, so as a conclusion, we hope that the prototype proposed delivers the benefits to the students and staff in various aspects. The prototype has proven to achieve the objectives mentioned before. Not only the staff can easily view the hostel booking systems, but the students are also able to input their credentials efficiently and more secure. What makes this prototype unique is this linked list function, where staff and students can use the search feature to find information related to college booking. That's all from me and my buddy Brendan. Thank you.